Now, the stones require enormous practice and great skill. It's best acquired in childhood. I was fortunate. I had a grandfather who knew the difference between a carborundum stone and an Arkansas stone, and that was not at all common among farmers. It was more common among wealthy sportsmen. But with a natural stone, you need lubrication. And that's because the fine particles of steel will fill whatever spaces there are, and there are far more spaces in the soft Arkansas than there are in the hard Arkansas. To use a stone skillfully, you have to be able to judge the angle of the blade, and you want it at about 15 degrees. And you cut into the edge. The big problem with carborundum stone is you cannot cut into the edge because the matrix is so soft that the crystals break and roll ahead of the edge, dulling it while you're sharpening it. Now that is not true of the product you're shown here. We don't show the carborundum stone because we feel it's useless with modern steels. But if you were using it, you would have to do it like this. But the only edge you need to worry about going backwards on is a straight razor. Now, when you finish using a natural stone, or for that matter, a man-made stone, and you work the steel particles into the oil with a fingertip, then you take an old t-shirt or an old dish rag, and you can see the steel particles that discolor the cloth. You can also see where I have left some on the surface and failed to get them off. So another application of oil and wipe it down. And you wipe it down because if you leave the oil sitting on the surface of the stone, dust comes in, helps the oil to harden, and ruins the surface of the stone. So you always want the stone surface dry if it's exposed to air. And it's best if you cover it